Hello everyone. So this is the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 and I'm just going to unbox it right now. It's a really great tablet that I would recommend. And as you can see in the side, there's a USB-C, a regular USB, and this is the power slot where you put your power plug. I'll show you the power adapter. And you have the power button here and the volume control. It's right here. It's really built nicely. It's a nice Windows 10 operating system. It has a back camera and it also has a front camera. It's a stand and you can adjust it to whatever settings you like. So it's nice and sturdy. Now I press the power and I'm turning it on. It's an i7. It has 256 gigs of hard drive space and it's 16 gigs of memory. So it has enough space, enough memory to do a lot of things. And this is fully Windows 10 operating system. You can install your Office programs, Office 2019, 2016. You can install your printer, and it's a fully function Windows 10 operating system. So I'm just going to set it up. I'm going to select yes. Click yes again. Click yes. I can skip this. Now you can select your Wi-Fi. And I'm just going to type my Wi-Fi, the password. So it's a nice on-screen keyboard. This is really nice. So that's set up. Now this is really great if you are working from home or you're working in a school environment. We distributed probably 100 of these for faculty and teachers so they can work from home remotely, and of course they're going to use like Google Meet and Zoom, and they have a back camera, front camera, and they have a fully functioning Windows 10 operating system. So it's great if you are working from home, working in a company that you need to work from home remotely, and it's good for school like even for students and teachers. You can select any one. I'm just going to say organization. Click next. You can do this, you can fill this out, but I'm going to skip all these things. Just going to type a name. As you can see how the keyboard layout is, it's really, really nice. Can use the backspace. Click next. Password. Confirm password. Now it asks you for all these security questions. You like to make your tablet secure, you can do all of these things. I'm going to skip for now. You can do all this, but I'm just going to skip. Now you can read all these things and you can choose whatever you want. I'm just going to say no for now. I click accept. And it goes through this. This is when you have completed setup. It's creating a profile now, your profile. So it's already set up. I can close all of these. I don't need those. The Wi-Fi is connected. Speakers. Now I need to connect the power. Now this is the power adapter. Now this is where I place the power adapter, right here, and it fits nicely there. You can see there's a light there. Also, it's magnetic, and also I can turn it the other way. Which is convenient. So as you see, it's fully functional and it's a beautiful computer. It's touch screen. It has everything in it. You can subscribe to, Office 365. It's already installed. And you can browse the internet. and you can scroll with your finger. Click on anything. You can use your finger to, as you see, maximize, expand the picture, move it around. So it's a really great tablet, and I would recommend it if you need to use this as a personal device, as a work device, as a school device. I would recommend it to teachers, students, and those who are doing remote work from their home. And you can take this with you to your workplace and to home. It's really powerful device that Microsoft has. Actually, I prefer this because I can connect a USB, and you can also get the keyboard and the case for it, which I will show you.